Hey guys, Smooth Tech back here with another video. In this video, I'm here with the LG G Flex, and I am going to be doing a full review. So this review is going to be broken up into three different parts: build, quality, features, and design. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So, call quality on this device has been great. People on the other end can't even tell that I am using a cell phone. It's been so crystal clear. I've had no drop calls, and I have been using AT&T for this. So that is a plus. I give that a 10 in call quality. So design wise, this phone is a 6-inch display, and it is curved, as you can see there. It has really nice kind of liquid metal kind of feel, but it is plastic, but it feels very sturdy. They did a good, excellent job with the build quality of the phone. It is flimsy in certain areas because it's flexible, so that is not a big deal there. And then also, from the design standpoint, everything is really laid out really nice and easy to use. You have your camera, volume up, volume down, power and sleep, and then you have your IR blaster right there and flash. At the bottom you have your speaker and then G Flex. On the front you have the LG's logo there. The top you have your front facing camera, your sensors, your LED notification, and then your speaker, or your speaker, or your speaker. On the side you have your slim, which you need a slim removal tool to go ahead and access that there. On this side it is just sleek and clean. On the bottom you have your 3.5mm headphone jack, noise cancelling microphone, and your micro USB charging and sync cable. At the top you have another noise cancelling microphone. And I failed to mention on the back, the power button is also a LED notification light, which is really cool. So, the screen is not a 1080p screen, it is a 720p screen, which is not all that bad, but you can kind of tell some pixels at certain times because of the size of the display. So, now we're going to go ahead to features. So, as you can see, some people are annoyed that the power and lock button and the volume rocker are on the back of the phone. I, however, have no problem. That's where my hand naturally is when I hold it like this anyways, is right there on that button. So, what LG has done is they have a knock sensor feature. If you double click the screen, it will turn off. And if you double tap it, it will wake it back up. So essentially, you never really have to touch the back of the device for unlocking and locking the phone, which is really nice. Another cool feature that LG has is the ability to dual applications. We've seen this with LG. We've seen this with Samsung, so it's really nothing that new, but it is a feature on here and it works really well. So, the downside is it's not with all applications, it's only with select applications. So say for instance I open this up, or let's take a really easy one to do. So if I go into my email account, let me pull up an email really quickly with the link to it. That way, okay, so here we go. So I can click there, and as you can see, it duals the screen, dual wheels. You can watch the YouTube video and browse and read your emails at the same time. So that is a really nice feature. It works really well. This phone is really fast. So hardware and software wise, LG has nailed this down. I would have liked to see a 1080p to screen on this phone, and they've built some kind of coating over the glass to kind of keep it from scratching the glass when you flex or whatever, but you can kind of see it's a little grainy. it may be a killer for you at first. I had some time getting used to just that. But once I got used to it, a couple of days, it just went away. And it's a really gorgeous display when you're looking at it. The blacks are really black, and the whites are really white. So, let's go into settings here. General, and let's show you what version of Android this is running. So the LG G Flex. So as you can see, this is the LG D950, which is the AT&T variant of the LG, and the Android version is 4.2.2. I have not rooted this, and LG or Google has not released the update for the 4.4 version of Android for this phone. Camera is very, very nice here. You get a 13 megapixel camera. Like I said, it's really nice. And with this camera, you get a plethora of features. So let's remove that. Let's go up here to settings. So you can adjust the shutter. For sound, you could have autofocus or manual focus. I like to keep it on autofocus. Brightness, you can change. ISO is on auto, 13 megapixel. Camera, your white balance is also on auto, but you have the ability to basically change every feature of this camera, which is really nice. If you go over to mode here, you have normal, shoot and clear, dynamic tone, panorama, VR panorama, burst shot, your beauty shot, dual camera, which gives you the ability to record and take pictures of the rear and the front facing camera. It takes advantage of both, which is really nice. Let's go back, and we have sports, nighttime mode, and intelligent auto. So really nice. Now if we head over to the camcorder, we have normal mode, live effect, dual recording, and tracking zoom. We go back here, we have audio zoom. I have it on UHD, which is 4K. I believe it's 4K. It's not able to fully take advantage of the 4K without the Android 4.4 update. But as soon as that update comes, it will be able to take 4K video recording, and that is going to be a really nice feature. If we go back into settings, you can see GPS tag, volume record. So this is an overall really nice phone. I would give this a 8 out of 10. And once again, this is Move Tech. Hope to see you in the next video. If this video helped you out, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, subscribe, comment, and follow me on Google Plus and Twitter. Bye-bye.